Welcome back. It's time to talk parent to parent here on 6 in the Mix. Animal-assisted therapy is used in many situations, but did you know it could even help your kids become better readers? Here with more is Marni Bellavia, manager for animal-assisted therapy programs over at Humane Society of Broward County. Marni, who do I have here sitting on my lap and who's sitting on yours?
So you have Karma, and she's about 4 or 5 years old, and I have Sydney, and she's about 10 or 11, and both are alumni of the Humane Society of Broward County, where I adopted them.
I have to tell you, I'm so calm right now. As soon as she jumped into my lap, I take a breath, which is what therapy dogs really, that's just one of the many things that they do. They help us calm down and focus and center. But talk to me about the reading program for kids.
Sure. So the reading program, it's a spin-off from the therapy program, if you will, in the fact that it helps the children to be relaxed. It helps them to be calm. It helps them feel at ease, and it actually encourages them to want to read. Because children that are struggling readers and are having a problem reading, it's not going to be the thing they're going to gravitate to because they're struggling. Right. But when you pair that with a therapy animal or a therapy dog or a pet at home, the children are more likely to want to read, and then they are gaining literacy skills. They're able to have their competencies better, their articulation of feelings are increased, and dogs are non-judgmental, so they don't care if you wear glasses, they don't care if you have braces. All they want to do is just sit there and listen and love you and maybe give you a few kisses like she is. But that's the real focus, is really to encourage the literacy and help the children to be in a calm state of mind when they're trying to learn.
Absolutely, and they feel our emotions. They feel like we're part of the pack. So if maybe your kids are feeling a little bit anxious about jumping into a new book and struggling with that. As I said, when Karma jumped into my lap, I instantly calmed down. And in a society where we are constantly go, 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 and struggling to disconnect from technology, it's so important to disconnect, to reconnect with nature, with our furry. just petting the animal will make such a big difference. Look, Karma, you're on TV right now. So for anybody that is interested in adopting, tomorrow's the day to do it, right? You should do it 365 days a year, but I know tomorrow the Humane Society of Broward County will definitely be open to help us clear the shelters, and these are two amazing examples.
Absolutely. We are all ready for Clear the Shelters. We will be open at 9 o'clock from 9 to 6 p.m. And like I said, a lot of people don't realize that purebred dogs are at our local shelters, and these guys came straight from the Humane Society of Broward County. There's lots of purebreds, mixed breed dogs, pretty much anything that you could want and hope for, you can find at your local shelter.
I even saw bunny rabbits at the Humane Society of Broward.
Bunny rabbits, ferrets.
Yeah, ferrets. I saw some hamsters as well. So go ahead and check them out. Like 25% of the animals at shelters are purebred dogs. So you don't know unless you go and check it out. Thank you so much for being here, Marni.
Thank you so much for having us.
Thank you guys both for being here. If you would like many great features like this one in this month's issue of South Florida Parenting Magazine, check it out right now. Available right now and online. For more information on this and others, check out southfloridaparenting.com. Follow them on Facebook, Twitter as well. And remember to check back in with Parent to Parent. South Florida Parenting Magazine comes your way every week right here on 6 in the Mix. And of course, log on to NBC6.com/cleartheshelters for more on all the locations.